Pacific One News, the news web leader, your exposure to the world.
Hi, this is Khushi Chauhan and you're watching Pacific One News, the news web leader, your exposure to the world. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal took center stage in a Delhi court yesterday, vehemently defending himself against charges levied by the Enforcement Directorate. In a dramatic turn of events, Kejriwal accused the Central Probe Agency of orchestrating a campaign to implicate him in what he described as a political motivated attack on the Aam Aadmi Party. Speaking before Special CBI Judge Kaveri Baweja of Rouse Avenue Court, Kejriwal launched a scathing attack on the ED, alleging that its mission was solely aimed at tarnishing his image and crushing the Aam Aadmi Party. He asserted that the ED's investigation has dual objectives: to create a false narrative of corruption within the Aam Aadmi Party and to engage in what he termed an extortion racket to gather funds. Kejriwal highlighted the case of Sarath Reddy, an approver who he claimed had provided false testimony against him. He alleged that Reddy had subsequently donated a significant sum to the Bharatiya Janata Party after his arrest, insinuating a political motive behind the accusations. Furthermore, Kejriwal emphasized that despite extensive investigations by both the CBI and ED, no charges had been framed against him, and there were no allegations directly linking him to any wrongdoing. He challenged the basis of his arrest, pointing out that the statements provided by witnesses lacked substantial evidence and were insufficient grounds to detain a sitting chief minister. Kejriwal questioned the credibility of the witnesses, arguing that their statements were coerced or altered to fit a predetermined narrative. Kejriwal also raised concerns about the selective use of evidence by the ED, alleging that the probe agency had cherry-picked statements to build a case against him while disregarding evidence that could exonerate the Aam Aadmi Party. In a compelling defense before the court, Arvind Kejriwal painted a picture of himself as a victim of political vendetta, standing firm against what he deemed as unjust persecution. As the legal battle intensifies, the outcome of this high-profile case remains uncertain, with both sides entrenched in a bitter struggle for truth and justice. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more updates.
Pacific One News, the news web leader, your exposure to the world.